Is Roblox not opening on your iPhone no matter how many times you tap it? It crashes, freezes, or simply won't launch. This issue is often caused by app crashes, outdated software, or network problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Roblox won't open on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox up and running now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And then you can update your Roblox from the App Store as well. That's a wrap. Hopefully, your installing Roblox stuck error is all sorted now. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.